spend a day with me in Makati. I'm going to the movies later. We're gonna watch Devil Wears Prada. So, of course, I have a jacket.
I'm happy with the food. So what is this? Saglo. Napupunta ako sa ng Thursday na hindi ako nagay.
Yung net for laundry. Sobrang
Doon ka bumili. Dumalaw ba?
nahulog na tapon.
Huwag na naman.
Ayaw mo nga, try mo lang. Sayang mo.
No.
Parang hindi na ako sanay mag-picture
Ito normal lang.
ng self ko. Pero video lang. We love art. We love art. We're artistic people. We love appreciating art.
Art connoisseur.
Diba? Parang in theme siya sa The Devil Wears Prada 2. We're appreciating different kinds of art today.
One fish.
Art. Art. A wall. Makati girlies. Kasama ka sa vlog. Makati Zen. Early beginnings. In the Beniging.
In the Beningki.
In the Beniging. SM. Wow, ganito pala sa Makati. Ang daming tao. Still weekend yan. Tapos na yung No Brand is closing soon. Kaya nasaan si ano? Si Vernon.
Ito lang yung afford mo.
Wala si Vernon.
Hindi afford mo.
Hindi ko siya bibilan. Wala si Vernon. Ito yung title ng vlog. If it's spend a day with me in Makati or gallery day and movie day. Gallery day. Visit the gallery. Visit our gallery. Dalawa yung pinuntahan natin. Gallery. Visit galleries. Okay. Very, ano naman,
Cinema.
futuristic ba?
Wow.
Cinematic.
Cinema.
That doesn't look like Meryl Streep. Siya ba yan? I had so much thoughts after the movie. Parang may report ako.